Continuing where we left off, we said the slope of the line on number 10 was going up 6 and over 3, which reduced to a slope of 2. And we didn't find the 0, or we didn't label the 0. 0 is the same as the x-intercept, so my 0 is 3. And last, I want the equation in y equals mx plus b. So y is equal to my slope of 2 times x, plus my y-intercept, which was negative 6, so minus 6. Last couple of problems. Number 11, Joseph opened a bank account with $1,000. After 2 years, he only had $450 remaining. Identify the rate of change in which Joseph lost money. So, we know at the beginning, Joseph had $1,000. So, beginning, $1,000 could give us the point 0, 1,000. After 2 years, he had $450. We want the rate of change, or in other words, we want the slope. Since we have 2 points, we can use our calculator to do this in stat. 0, 1,000, and 2, 450. So in my calculator, I go to stat. I can clear, or I can type over anything that's there. I have the point 0, 2. The x value is 0, 2, and the y value is 1,000 and 450. Stat calc 4, and I get the slope. Remember, my calculator is slope is a, is negative 275. This is a word problem, so we could say that he is losing $275 per year. Number 12, the table below shows the relationship between the height of a plant, h, and the time in weeks since it was planted. We have a table and says identify the rate of change and explain it in context with the problem. So again, I am going to do this in stat. Going back to stat, I'm going to type over my list. I have in the x column, or time, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And in my y column, I have 4, 6, 8, and 10. Notice since my y values are going up, I should have a positive slope. So stat calc 4. Remember, a is the slope in our calculator, so our rate of change is 2. And we could say, remember that this is y per x. It always follows a pattern. We could say this is the height per week. Or when we're saying that the height is going up, we could say this is the growth per week. How much the plant is growing per week. This concludes the videos for the credit recovery, Unit 5. So please stop here and take the quiz.